Hi, naghahanap ka ba ng condo investment? Condo investment na kung saan pwede mong ipa-rental, ipa-staycation, or either Airbnb? Invest ka na sa bagong pre-selling project namin. Dito lang yan, malapit sa Eastwood, Circulo Verde at Bridgetown. For only 30,000 pesos reservation fee, meron ka ng condo investment near Eastwood City. Our studio type ranging from 9,000 to 12,000. Our 1-bedroom unit start from 12,000 to 15,000 and our 2-bedroom unit start from 15,000 to 25,000 pesos. And take note guys, wala kang spot down payment na kailangang ilabas plus meron pa kaming mga limited non-VAT units. So grab ka na! So ito ka pala ang scale model ng project, a high-rise condominium project along Eastwood, complete 5-star amenities, plus merong upper penthouse and lower penthouse. So saan ka pa, di ba? For only 9,000 may condo investment ka na. So dito lang yan, along Calle Industrial Road, Bagumbayan, Quezon City. So kung gusto mo magsimula ng condo investment mo, mag-site viewing ka na, DM sa aming page. Thank you!